Lisa, do you know what I like about the Bay Area?
What?
This is the only place in the world where within 2-hour mile radius, you can be surfing in the morning, you can be skiing in the evening, you can be in a city like this, or you can go to Santa Cruz Beach. How cool is this place?
It is one of the best places in the world to live, obviously, since there's so many people moving here.
What do you think about this property?
This property is great. It's perfect for the city, even if you're an investor and you just want to come here every once in a while. It's a great unit, industrial chic. You're going to love it.
Let's take a tour.
As you can see, that was a great unit, perfect location. You need to come by and take a look in person. Give us a call.
Yep, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.